Okay, so today I'm doing the rear brake pads on a 2007 Nissan Pathfinder. It's my mate's car, so we're just going to film just doing the back pads just to show you what they look like. They're pretty easy. So we've got, for this we should be able to just undo one of these, yeah?
Yeah.
Probably just the top one, which is like a, it's either a 12 or a 13 or 14. I reckon 14's too big. Oh no, you're right, it's a 14. You undo this one, but you got to hold that one to break it. What the heck is that? Longest screwdriver I've ever seen.
Yeah, because the other ones are packed away.
So just taking the pads out. That is out. So we'll have to push this piston back in a bit, so we need a clamp to push the piston in as well. Now, just when you sit on it here, it doesn't look like it's going to fit, but when you sit on, oh yeah, it does. It's just the metal thing was hanging down. That's all. It's all good. So that one's on. There will be swearing in this episode. What would we say? There we go. Almost there. That'll do it. The fairies have taken the 14 away. And that's all there is to it. That side is done. So, same again for this side. We're just going to undo that one, pull that back, and Bob will be your uncle. This time we'll undo it the right direction, I think. Yep, got it in one this time. Got the pads for me? I've got the world's longest screwdriver here again.
There's one. Two.
Danko. press the piston again. Ooh, maybe I should have done that. Don't need any fancy tools for this stuff. It's just easy as. I'll do it. I think. Yep. All right, drop it down. And that's how you do it.